Welcome to this 1-minute introduction to constructions management. Construction management is all about overseeing and coordinating construction projects from start to finish. As a construction manager, you'll be responsible for planning, organizing, and executing construction activities. You'll work closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure project stays on track and within budget. Effective communication is key. You'll need to communicate with different stakeholders, resolve issues, and provide updates. Construction managers also handle cost estimations, scheduling, and risk management to keep the project running smoothly. It is a challenging but rewarding role where every day brings new opportunities and achievements. To learn more about construction management and embark on an exciting career, click the link or subscribe to our channel for future updates.